Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix crashing issues in Horizon 6 after the latest update. I think I've found a working solution. First, go to Options, then open Language Settings. If your game is currently set to System Language, change it to a different one. For me, switching to English, UK, solved the problem. After changing the language, the game will restart, and in my case, the crash is completely stopped. So make sure to try this fix first. If that doesn't work, here's another method. Depending on where your game is installed, mine is on the Xbox app, search for the Xbox app and run it as an administrator. Once it opens, go to My Library, find Forza Horizon, click on the three dots, and select Manage. Then go to Files and click Browse. Now open the Forza Horizon 6 folder, go to Content, and locate the games.exe file. Right-click it, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Apply the changes and check if the issue is resolved. If you're using Steam, you can follow similar steps, go to your game library, open Properties, then Installed Files, and click Browse to access the game folder. Next, go to Windows Graphics Settings. Add the game manually, especially if it's from the Microsoft Store, locate the Horizon executable, and set it to high performance. Also, make sure any default or system-controlled options are disabled for this app. Finally, ensure that hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and optimizations for windowed games are turned on in your system settings. After applying these steps, your game should run without crashing. In most cases, the first fix will solve the problem. That's pretty much it.